Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome in another video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into payoneer.com. This is the homepage. So what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can open a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So here we have various things and the various options and various information. For example, we have here freelancers, get paid, by marketplace, withdraws funds, we have make payments and other things. Then we have business, get paid, make payment. Then we have marketplace, like payout and other things. So we have in the homepage here business payments for today's global economy. Your marketplace here we have depends on your seller's access with Payoneer. You can deliver the best possible payment experience at a global scale wherever your sellers are. So to get started, you have to click over sign up. Then you find our page to find your account by writing your email address and your password. But you have just to scroll down and find sign up. Then you click over it, and you'll find this page. Choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes you the best. I am a freelancer or SMB or online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, individual also. So I will click over individual and I will find other page which is the right account for you is freelancer, agency or servers, provider, getting paid by clients or via marketplaces. You will click over register. But before we have to get paid by LinkedIn, marketplaces and clothing, Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images and more. Then you have get paid by your global clients. Also withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates. Also you have withdraw funds at the MS, pay your shoppers and subcontractors for free. So once you click over register, you will find other page which is here we have Payoneer sign up. The first one we have getting started. Is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? So we have here no, my business isn't registered. Then we have here yes, I own or represent a registered business. So you click over the one you are. So right now you have just to fill in the fields in English characters only. So you write your first name, last name, email address, on re-enter email address, and then the date of birth. Once you do that, you click over next, and you will find other page. We have here Payoneer sign up, contact details. Please fill in the fields in English characters only. Providing a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. So we choose the country here, street and number. Then we have mobile number, and also here we have click send code and enter the verification code we sent to a mobile number. You click over send code and write your verification code and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here other page Payoneer sign up security details. We have here please fill in the files in English characters only. Username, enter the password, re-enter the password, and here we have security answer. For example, what is the last name of your first boyfriend or girlfriend? What is the name of the hospital you were born in? How old was your father when you were born, and other things. Then we have security answer because it's very personal, so all you know the answer. Then we have here issue country of ID, or we have Morocco or other country. We have several countries here, so you choose your country and you get started. Then you have here ID type, ID number also, and you click over next. Once you that you will find this page. When you sign up, almost done. This is the last step. You have just to please add a bank account for withdrawals that belongs to you or your company. So you click on personal account or business account. Once you link your personal information bank account, you will find your congratulations. Your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Then we have here the home page. So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account. To facilitate easy withdrawals, you can then receive payment from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer receiving accounts which support multiple currencies. To enhance your experience, consider ordering a Payoneer paid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. In the homepage, we have also here withdrawal transfer. We have here convert currencies, transfer money between your currency balancers to make payments in the currency you need. So we have from here select the balance, then we have to select balance. We have here amount to transfer, amount to receive. To manage currency, you need to be receiving funds to a Payoneer account. Then we have here also account activity like transaction, payment request sent, monthly statement, transaction reports. Then we have here bank account. You can see your account. You can also add another account, and that's it. Then we have business networking like companies you work with, business applications, and connect apps. So this is how it works. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transactions. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So this is how it works with Payoneer. You have just to sign up by following the steps and you will get started. So it's very easy.